Versus diverging series. So a series is a sum of a number of numbers or a number of terms. So if you're given a summation, and let's say it's just n from n equals 1 to infinity, well, the series, you're going to sum up all these n's starting from 1. So you're going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. Now, with things like this, it will diverge because this number is going to keep on increasing and it's not going to approach a certain value, and meaning it will eventually just approach infinity if we sum up an infinite number of these terms. But if we decide to do a different series, such as 9 over 10 to the n, we get 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, and these are partial sums, right? But we're going to add up, because for each of these, we're going to add up 0.9 plus 0.09, this second term plus 0.009, and this is going to give us these. Now we notice that as we add up more and more terms, we're approaching, right? We're approaching 1. It's getting closer to 1. This is how a series converges. It's going to approach a certain number. And there are other tests we can use, but generally if a series, as you add them up, it approaches a certain number, that's a converging series. Or if it terms in previous sums, so previous terms cancel out some terms that are being added on. For example, if you're going to have a 1/4, and then you're going to have a plus a 1/5, and then you're going to have a negative 1/4, and then you're going to have a negative 1/5. And it's just going to continue on like this, where these terms are going to calculate each other up. Usually it's going to start with maybe one number, like 1. But generally, something like this, where these terms would cancel each other out, this is another form of converging series because all these other terms are going to cancel each other out, and you're just going to get with the starting term.